I gaze out the window actually a lot. I mean, people will call it daydreaming, but actually it's part of what I do. The story of this house is a long, winding road to get a place in the country that we could entice the children to come to. Family has always been really important for me. The reason I do produce these places, I mean, initially it was for myself. It's the way I wanted to live, and if there are less visual distractions, it makes for like a calmer space. You know, it started in Halifax with the industrial buildings and the chapels, the Methodist chapels, the treeless landscape. You know, I got to do the Calvin Klein store in New York, converting a big bank, you know, a 19th century bank. Half the work has always been working on existing buildings. I could see instantly what I could transform it to. Nobody else could. I mean, people were absolutely horrified. Buildings like this were just full of 100 years of stuff. I rebuilt the whole thing. I mean, literally stone by stone. The layout is very similar to what it was. We just made the odd opening, like this one, and the odd extra window for light. People always complain in England about the light, but if you've got the right container like this, it does do magical things. I mean, the food, the clothes, the lifestyle, it's trying to get to what's essential, I suppose. Trying to make rooms or spaces that make people feel good. This is the way I want to live and conduct. I mean, the windows, the fenestrations are raw stainless steel cut from single sheets, Swedish steel, which is the best. To have no joints at the corners. The white marble, which is very simple and is very plain, is from Lhasa in the Dolomites, produce a stone which has no markings in. But there's so much color in my work from the natural materials, and also, you know, obviously the flowers that come in and out, you know, the rugs or throws. You know, all the different woods have huge variations in color as well. People say, why do I always use the Hans Wegner or Wiener Y chair which we're sitting on? It's the chair that's really reached that point where you can't improve it. You know, it's light, it's elegant, it's strong, it's comfortable, people look good in it. The waste paper baskets here are by Hans Wiener, so that was a you know, for me, this was to get it right at any cost. You know, I didn't want to say, well, I've compromised here. All these things that I do in controlling the light and the proportion and everything else is really to make things more comfortable. You know, comfort for me is a sort of feeling.